Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food. And today I'm here to share a recipe for quick and easy pecan sticky buns using crescent rolls. So what you're going to need are some pecans, brown sugar, cinnamon, some corn syrup, butter, and of course, crescent rolls. So if you want to see how this recipe comes together, stay tuned. So the first thing that we're gonna do is get our brown sugar mixture ready to go. So what I've done is melted my butter, and to that I'm going to add my brown sugar and my corn syrup. And I will make sure to leave the exact measurements for this recipe in the description box. Also, I want to mention that I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm just gonna give this a stir, and then we're just gonna set it aside. So I've opened up my crescent rolls, and all I'm gonna do is sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon. So you're gonna sprinkle cinnamon to taste. And then you're just gonna roll them up like a traditional crescent roll. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to start preparing the pan for the sticky buns. So I have just a regular standard cupcake pan here that I have oiled with butter. And then to that, I am going to add this brown sugar mixture evenly to each of the wells. And next you're going to evenly sprinkle the pecans over the brown sugar mixture. So the next thing that you're going to do is take 6 of your crescent rolls and cut them in half, just like this. And the last 2 crescent rolls you're going to cut into thirds, just like this. Okay, so now you're gonna take the crescent rolls that you cut in half and stick them into the well like this. And then the ones that you cut in a third, you're just going to push them in between. And here they are. So I am going to pop these in the oven until they're nice and golden brown, excuse me, probably about 20-25 minutes or so. Okay, so I just took these out of the oven. I baked them for about 19 minutes, and as you can see, they oozed just a little bit. That's okay. I'm gonna let these cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I am going to turn them over, and you will be able to see how they turned out. Stay tuned. All right, so I let these cool for about 10 minutes, and then I flipped them over onto a cookie sheet, and then I just put them in this plate. So now Howard is here with me, and he is going to open one so you guys can see it. And there it is. Doesn't it look awesome? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.